For centuries, India was known as a land power defined by its borders, its army, and its land-based security. But in the 21st century, the real contest of power is not just on land, it's on water. Today, India's maritime rise is reshaping the balance of power across the Indo-Pacific, a region that carries 60% of global trade and defines the future of world politics. The Indian Navy once served under colonial command, but after independence, it evolved from a coastal defense fleet into a force of strategic depth and technological capability. In just a few decades, India has built one of the largest navies in the world, a true blue water navy capable of operating far beyond its shores. At the heart of this transformation lies INS Vikrant, India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier. It symbolizes not only military strength but also India's industrial and engineering potential. Alongside it stands INS Arihant, a nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine completing India's nuclear triad and giving it second strike capability. These vessels aren't just machines, they are the anchors of a rising maritime civilization. India's maritime geography is one of its greatest strategic advantages. From the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the east to Lakshadweep in the west, India's naval bases guard vital sea lanes that connect the Middle East, Africa, and East Asia. Control of these choke points, especially near the Malacca Strait, gives India enormous leverage in global trade security. This rise, however, isn't happening in isolation. China's expanding presence in the Indian Ocean through ports in Gwadar, Hambantota, and Djibouti has triggered a maritime contest of influence. In response, India has strengthened alliances through the Quad with the United States, Japan, and Australia, promoting a free and open Indo-Pacific. Through joint exercises like Malabar, Varuna, and Milan, India has deepened interoperability with global naval powers. But the rise of the Indian Navy isn't just about confrontation, it's about responsibility. From humanitarian missions in the Indian Ocean to evacuations in war zones, India's naval presence reflects a philosophy of peace through strength. Whether it's rescuing civilians during natural disasters or securing sea routes for international trade, India's Navy acts as a stabilizing force in turbulent waters. The journey, however, is just beginning. By 2035, India plans to expand its fleet to more than 175 ships, including a third aircraft carrier, INS Vishal, equipped with advanced launch systems and next-generation aircraft. The future Navy will also integrate drones, artificial intelligence, and underwater autonomous systems, making it one of the most technologically advanced maritime forces in Asia. The rise of India's maritime power is more than a military story, it's a statement of intent. As global power shifts towards the Indo-Pacific, India is positioning itself not as a follower but as a leader, a guardian of open seas, secure trade, and regional stability. From the shores of Mumbai to the depths of the Andaman, a new wave is rising. Knowledge Suitcase, explaining the world one idea at a time. Like, comment, and subscribe for more knowledge.